So I wanted to show you how to create a clean audio. Some of you have asked this and not known. So first we're going to take an interview clip and I'm going to right click. I'm going to create a new sequence from the clip so I know that it's set up right. And I'm going to just name it whatever I want. Interview number 2. And I'm going to show you how to clean the audio up. Edit clip in Adobe Audition. This will send us outside of Premiere into a new program called Adobe Audition. I know the audio is a little low because I can tell by the waveforms. These are the waveforms. So first of all, I'm going to turn my volume up. So I'm going to double click, highlights everything, it turns white. I'm going to turn it up a little bit. It's a cleaner audio. And then if you listen, there's a hum in the background or just a noise. So I'm going to highlight that section that's just the. So I've highlighted that. I'll do it again. Then I go into the Effects tab, Noise Reduction, Restoration, Capture Noise Print. And it's saying, do you want to do this? Every time that I do something in this program, it will use this in the noise print. I say, okay. Then double click, again highlights my whole section. Then I'm going to noise reduction process. Just because of trial and error, I know that 60 noise reduction reduced by 10 decibels works. So I'm going to hit apply, but I suggest you play around with this and now listen. So it's a lot cleaner. Here's the section I used as my sample. So I took that hum out. Now to get back to Premiere, all I have to do is X out of the program, say yes, and it's going to replace my old audio with the clean audio. So that's how we do clean up audio using Premiere and Adobe Audition.